We the nice, your friend. Strictly homegrown. Yo, JTEX. JTEX. Yo, answer me, no man. Yo, me know say I true because I last time, bro. Me not mess with this again, yo. This important, yo. Yo, brother, you always a disturb me when me a read. What make a when time me a read, you choose to disturb me, dog. You know me not like nobody disturb me when me a read. However, you say it important. You understand? So it better be. It's a not gonna like what happen next, you know. Alright, here. Yo, spell me. Brother, really? Me? Alright, M-E. Bro, you forgot to add D. Brother, what you talk about? After no D, no in a... We catch you again, Jay. We catch you again. So last time I go shake with
What you mean the last time, bro?
Stay right there.
Yo, where you go?
I'll be
Where you go? You can't take the good joke, brother. Yo, what that? What that? No, JJ, no.
tell us.
Why? Me not need again.
Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't miss a scene.